In this video, I'll show you how to get a new web page indexed on Google on day one of publication. This won't guarantee that the content will rank well, but if it was going to be found by a searcher anyway, this tip will mean that the content is indexed more quickly. The tip relies on you setting up the free Google Search Console service, so you'll need to do that bit first. In short, search for Google Search Console, sign in with your Google details, and then follow the steps to associate your site with the service. Okay, let's assume you've done that bit and you've just published a web page or blog post on your site. You then need to log into the Google Search Console and then click Crawl and Fetch as Google. Enter the address. You'll see that the first part is in there already, so you only need to enter the part after your main web address. Then you click Fetch and Render and then wait for a short while the request is in a pending state. After a minute or two, the status should change to Complete and you'll see a Request Indexing button. Click that and then in the pop-up window, tick the box to confirm to Google that you're a human. Then click the radio button to crawl only this URL and click Go. Now you can close the window and get on with something else. If you do a Google search some hours later, you should be able to see your new page in the index. The best way to check this is to use the site : search filter and then search for your domain and the part of the address that relates to the new page. This example shows how that works. It's important to note that there's a space between the first part of the search and the second. And that's it. I used this method for my copywriting rates post and the page appeared in Google's search index only 6 or 7 hours after I published it. There are other ways to get your content indexed. For example, you could share it via Google+, but that's a bit slower and it might take a day or two before the page is indexed. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.